Our Earth is spread over an area of 361 million square kilometers. This area makes up 71% of our Earth. This ocean, which is spread over crores of kilometers, has millions of mysteries hidden within it. Whether they are the world's largest and most dangerous animals, or thousands of years ago, the entire city that sank into the ocean. This ocean is full of many kinds of mysteries. If anyone's name comes at the top in these mysteries of the ocean, then that name is Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the ocean to date, which is only 69 kilometers wide, but is spread over an area of 2,550 kilometers in length. This trench comes to the Pacific Ocean from Guam Island and travels 350 kilometers southwest, where the depth of the ocean is astonishingly 11,000 meters, that is, it goes up to 11 kilometers. In 1872, for the first time, a British ship's crew discovered the Mariana Trench during ocean floor mapping. Ocean floor mapping is a technique in which signals are sent into the sea, and then when those signals come back from the land present in the sea, they are captured by the receiver on the ship, and then a map of the land present in the ocean is made on the computer, which is also called sonar scanning today. The ship that discovered the Mariana Trench was later named HMS Challenger. After that, HMS Challenger 2 was the ship which explored the Mariana Trench for the second time in 1951. The discovery of the Mariana Trench shook the world. Man now reached such a depth of the ocean where there was only black darkness everywhere, and where the water pressure was as much as 16,000 psi, which is 1,071 times more than normal pressure. This pressure is so much that it can crush anything or any bulletproof car in just seconds. But the surprising thing is that despite so much water pressure and black darkness, life is found in the Mariana Trench. About 5,000 different types of creatures have been seen in the Mariana Trench so far, which are found only in the Mariana Trench in the whole world. Some people believe that there is a different world in this part of the sea. And some theories also show that the world's largest and most dangerous shark, Megalodon, is still alive in these depths of the ocean. In today's video, we will learn about the strangest and most terrifying creatures. Watch the video till the end. After going 2,000 meters from the surface of the ocean, i.e. 2 kilometers deep, the sunlight in the sea is completely extinguished and the sea becomes completely black. In these black darknesses, deep-sea dragonfish are found. This fish was first discovered in 1906, which was seen in the areas of the Pacific Ocean. At first, the scientists had no knowledge of this fish. But when detailed research was done on it, the secrets of the depths of the ocean that came to light, they left everyone surprised and worried. Now it was clear to everyone that there is a different world in these depths of the sea. And there is something hidden in these black darknesses that if it comes in front of a person, it will be impossible to believe it. The found dragonfish was 6.5 inches long, and its color was completely black. It had sharp pointed teeth in its jaws, which it must have used to hunt. This fish was small in size, but it was named the most horrible deep-sea creature. According to a research, this dragonfish, along with other marine animals, is also extremely dangerous for us humans, which can go down to 4,500 meters in the depths of the sea, i.e. can dive up to 4.5 kilometers and can find its prey. In these black darknesses of the ocean, a generation of sharks is also found, which has been named the frilled shark. This shark was first discovered by a marine biologist in 2004 from the depth of 900 meters of the ocean. About 3 years later, in 2007, a Japanese fisherman caught a 5.5 feet long female frilled shark. This shark looked gray and brown in color and had 6 frills on its body. Its body was eel-shaped and its head was like a long snake, which looked very scary. After doing detailed research on it, it was found that these sharks are 7 to 8 feet long and weigh about 90 to 136 kilograms. These sharks can dive up to 2,000 meters in the sea, i.e. up to 2 kilometers deep. And along with these marine creatures, they are also extremely dangerous for humans. Surprisingly, they have 300 fangs in their jaws, with which they hunt other marine animals, small fish and small sharks. A recent research has shown that the population of these sharks is almost non-existent, and in the coming few years they will be extinct from the world. That is, in the coming few years they will be completely extinct from the world. In addition to frilled sharks, another species of shark is also found in the Mariana Trench, which is going to be extinct very soon. This shark was first seen in 1898 in the Gulf of Mexico by a Jordan family. This shark looked gray and pink in color. Its head was larger and stronger than necessary and looked like a stone. It had dangerous teeth in its jaws, which looked very scary. A few years after its discovery, it was named the goblin shark. The shark had an amazing ability. The goblin shark could pull out its jaws to hunt and enlarge them, with which it could suppress its prey and kill it. This shark could dive up to 3 to 4 kilometers deep in the sea, which was as big as 16 feet and weighed as much as 210 kilograms. This shark was only seen 2 to 3 times. After that, dozens of expeditions were done, but no trace of this shark was found, from which it was assumed that either this shark is now extinct or is going to be extinct very soon. There is no doubt that the Mariana Trench is full of all kinds of mysterious and dangerous animals, and the animals found in it have amazed the world. But this amazement increased when a fish was seen 9,000 meters deep in the sea, which was only 12 inches in size. This fish was so big, but it was the strongest and most powerful creature in the world. Today, dinosaurs are considered the most powerful creatures in the world. But this fish, which lives in the depths of the Mariana Trench, which is called the snailfish, is many times more powerful than dinosaurs. In history, all the fossils of dinosaurs have been found. They either lived on land or lived only in the same depth in the sea, as far as the sunlight can easily reach. These dinosaurs could only bear a few tons of weight on them. But this fish, which lives in the depths of the Mariana Trench, can bear the weight of 1,600 elephants and more than 500 dinosaurs on it, which is naturally considered the strongest creature in the world. In the depths of the ocean, the pressure of the water there is as much as 16,000 psi, which is the same if a lot of trucks or a whole train is parked on a person. But surprisingly, this fish is bearing 170,000 kgs of weight on it at all times, which is much more than the weight of a Boeing 777 airplane. Snailfish are white and transparent in appearance, which are also called ghost fish. And this is the last creature of our world, which has been seen at the deepest point of the ocean so far. There are different kinds of scary and dangerous animals in the Mariana Trench, but along with them, such animals are also found here, which look very strange and beautiful. If you go to the depth of 3,000 meters of the ocean, then the world's rarest octopuses are found here, which are called telescope octopuses. Along with this, they are also called transparent octopuses. These octopuses are 10 to 15 inches in size and have 8 sides on their body, in which a strange kind of light always shines. These octopuses are the only octopuses whose eyes are tubular in shape, and that is why they are called telescope octopuses. Along with this, a fish called barrelfish is also found here, which is only as big as 6 inches. The head of this fish is transparent, which has 2 green lights on it, which it uses to find its prey. This fish can dive up to a depth of 2,800 meters in the sea, which is a very strange and interesting creature of the deep sea. These were the strange and poor creatures living in the Mariana Trench. That's it for this video. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.